Groupon, you're not on.
Oh yeah, Tractor Pads Meeting Festivals in the place!
Oh, what a day we are having! Wow, what a day! You take it as a passenger, you get a shot. Probably charge an arm, like, oh, a twirl.
$10.50.
It's a tenner it costs apparently. Tenner for 2 laps. Whoa.
And as you can see, it's got a lovely passenger in the front.
Oh, that was excitement. You excited, Ian? Are you excited?
Absolutely.
Absolutely excited.
Behind me here we have the Dairy Meat ice cream van. Gordon kindly suggested to him that he was not getting enough business because the queue was so awful. Gordon got patronised and said, "Don't worry son, I've been in the ice cream business for 47 years, I know all about it, so basically, F off." That's our man.
That's our man. 40 years and poor.
Groupon, you're not on.
Oh. Now they know how to live, they're having a barbecue. Oh, I tell you. Big bits of steak. Woo! I tell you, this is the place to be. This is the indoor bit. The weather's alright, so it's not that busy.
It's actually going away, it's taken off.
This plane is coming straight for us. Oh, is it going away? Oh, we thought it was coming for us. So what do you think of the event today then, Ian, then overall the whole Groupon event? Do you think it was a good experience?
It was educational. The Groupon event today was educational. Perhaps now what we shouldn't do, but I'm sure Gordon and I enjoyed it. It was different and it kept us out of the church on a bright sunny July morning, Sunday morning of course. This is Kelly, News at 10, Inglestown.